Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I am one of those people who loves to add sauce to just about everything. And this Bachan's Japanese barbecue sauce is definitely my new favorite. I am so grateful that they make a gluten-free version of the sauce, since sometimes I can have a little bit of sensitivity and intolerance to too much gluten. The slightly sweet, umami, Japanese, Asian flavor of this sauce goes with so many dishes. It can really take any meal, even ones that maybe I think are a little bit boring, and make it totally delicious and satisfying. It has a little bit of a thinner texture than your typical barbecue sauce, but I think that this is great for mixing in and getting that flavor in to whatever you're eating. I love, love, love it on my husband's homemade fried rice. I've enjoyed it on mac and cheese, veggies, noodle bowls. This stuff goes great on everything I've had it on. I keep finding more and more ways to use this Japanese barbecue sauce. I think that I'm going to need to buy a new bottle pretty soon. And that's my point of view.